Meaning of gizmo.
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 Gizmo. Gizmo is a noun that refers to a small device or gadget, often one with a specific function. It can also be used more broadly to describe any object whose name is unknown or forgotten. The term has become particularly associated with technological devices, especially in the context of consumer electronics and gadgets. Some popular examples of gizmos include smartphones, fitness trackers, and smart home devices like thermostats and security cameras. Overall, gizmo is a colloquial and somewhat playful term that connotes a sense of novelty, innovation, and practicality in the world of consumer technology.